The joy of box has arrived. Everyone knows in this fragrance community about this particular website. Yes, friends, I was looking for this two perfumes. Actually, I ordered two perfumes from the same brand. I was looking to order these perfumes, but they were continuously showing out of stock. So I thought that why not prepare this unboxing video of these two particular perfumes. Now to know which are these perfumes, you have to be with me till the end of this video, because as and when I will unbox, I will show you the perfumes. But I would like to tell something that this particular brand, Les Indemodables, this is a very good and reputed brand, and the perfumes of this particular brand are very high in quality. They use naturals in their synthesis, and they also give the information that which particular perfume contains how much amount of this concentrated oil. Also, I would like to tell you that this is not a sponsored video. These two perfumes I have bought with my particular money, and I will be posting the review of these perfumes very soon on my Open Senses channel. Now, without wasting much more time, let us move on to unbox these particular perfumes. See, these are the two perfumes. Now let us quickly unwrap this one. This one is the first perfume. As you can see, the box, I must say, very classic and minimalistic box design. This particular perfume, Rose de Jamal from Les Indemodables. If you are a genuine rose lover, you will definitely love this rose. This is a very fresh and green rose. I would not say that it is a very green rose, slight green nuances, but it is a very fresh and long-lasting rose. Definitely rose lovers need to check out this particular perfume, friends. I tried a sample and now I have bought the full bottle. See the quality of the juice, guys. They use very natural ingredients. I will be back with the review of this particular perfume. Now let's open the second box. As you can see, this classic box design. Nothing on the top. The batch number and barcode. Now let's open the bottle, friends. This is Vanille Havane. This is another blockbuster perfume from this particular brand. As you can see the color, which is due to the vanilla. It is a very good perfume, friends. I have tried a sample of this perfume also. It is very good for falls and winters. I will be back with the review of these two perfumes. Till then, be with me and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in perfume and perfume related contents or their reviews, their unboxing. This is Mitesh Pandya signing out from your favorite channel, Open Senses. Peace, ciao, and goodbye, friends.